today we're gonna do a baking soda and vinegar experiment because we did a 3-day experiment with our eggs.
Yeah, vinegar explosions are awesome.
Carson, can you tell about the experiment we're finishing up today?
The egg, the great egg is test.
Good. So what did we do for this? What was our procedure?
We put eggs in a bottle of vinegar and waited 3 days.
Good. Ashton, before we started, we formed hypothesis. What is a hypothesis?
A hypothesis is like your opinion on what is going to happen. For example, we had a hypothesis about what was going to happen to the egg.
Good. So Carson, what was your hypothesis?
My hypothesis was that the egg would become huge and the shell would disappear.
Good. And Ashton, what was your hypothesis?
My hypothesis was that the egg was going to start, its shell would start peeling and then the egg would shrink.
Good. So after 3 days, we took our eggs out of vinegar and we're left with this doohickey.
It's a bouncy ball.
A bouncy ball. So Carson, can you explain what happened to the shell?
The shell cracked and vinegar came into the egg.
Good. Ashton, where is the shell?
The shell is mainly here, but the shell just softened and made it a little bouncy ball.
So why did the shell
Usually
soften?
dropped it because the vinegar went in and it was pushing and the shell just kind of softened up. If you took a regular egg, it wouldn't be able to bounce. And because the shell would be hard and you felt it, but this shell is squishy. Like
Okay.
a bouncy ball or water.
So what did the vinegar do to the shell, Carson?
It melted it.
It melted it? Are you sure?
It turned it into a bouncy ball.
Yeah, it reacted with it. Why did the vinegar react with the shell?
Sorry, I'm taking
Hey, we're in the middle of a pandemic. Wash your hands whenever you feel like it.
Okay.
Do you remember why the vinegar ate away at the shell or reacted with the shell?
I don't want my hands to disappear.
Because
Think about the vinegar and baking soda reaction.
it was because the chemicals went together and made all of it sprout out. And if you were to felt the vinegar and baking soda after it exploded, it would feel like foam mostly.
Yeah. So the shell of the egg is a base and the vinegar is an acid and they reacted. Once the shell got thin, then what happened to the vinegar, Carson?
It exploded out in a volcano like that.
With the baking soda. Good. What happened to the vinegar that was in with the egg?
It turned the shell into rubbery substance.
It was able to soak into the shell. Do you remember the word for it going into the cell?
I forgot.
Osmosis.
Good job. And so, Carson, show us the egg.
So they go bounce, 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 bounce.
Okay, what did you find most interesting about this experiment?
That it could do this. Bounce.
Ashton, what did you find most interesting?
That it could do this.
Bounce.
Tell me something scientific you learned from this.
I learned if osmosis was a real word and what it meant, and I learned
What does
that
osmosis mean?
osmosis means like the cells change.
Yeah, it's
If
one.
you were to put this up to the light, you can see tiny little cells, and they used to be.
Yeah, osmosis is how things go in or out of the cell. And Carson, what did you learn today?
The eggs can turn into bouncy balls.
Yeah.
Eggs can turn to bouncy balls. Okay.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
Bye.
Bye.